keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Saturday, another day of my vlog. Today's Vlogcember day 10. Yesterday with Costco's video, that was considered day 9. So this morning we just got back from church and we're just waiting on our older kids because they have a meeting today. A little recap from yesterday, I did use a portion of it to edit the Friday's video. I tend to either edit that video the day of or the day before. Life is pretty busy. I wish I can edit it a week ahead, but you know, I had things to do. So yesterday after dropping off the kids, I went to the Dollar Tree and actually got a few things. This was one of them. This was a cookie box that I do plan to make some cookies and give them out as gifts, and it's gonna be in one of my videos as well. And I know my kids are here and my husband is here, but I also went to CVS and I got them some more gifts. I'm not going to mention what it is because they're with me, so that's just, you know, a little sneak peek of what to expect. I do need to film the holiday gifts and hopefully that's going to be today. I tried to do it yesterday, but I had some gifts that was locked away in a car and I didn't have the key, thanks to my husband. Anyway, so I do plan to film that for today. And yes, my daughter's being a little creepy back there, and so is my husband. For brunch, my daughter and I are cutting some vegetables. She's cutting up the peppers right now. And then we have potatoes, tomatoes, and onions, and we're gonna be making some omelets. We added the potato first, so we just want to brown this up before we put the onions and tomatoes and bell pepper. We have our cut up onion, tomatoes, and bell pepper, and that's gonna be going in pretty soon. Potatoes looks like they're done. I shut off the heat. Camille, go ahead and take it out. Here's our nicely browned potatoes, and now we're going to add the onions. We don't make this too often. This is actually very, very rare for me to cook all of this. I'm pretty very plain and simple. I just like to take my grill and cook scrambled eggs and cook sunny side eggs. So this is a little bit much for me, but since I'm showing you guys and I want something a little bit different this morning, I'm making this fancier omelet for us. We want this onion and tomato to cook down a little bit. And I'm going to add some salt to help the water evaporate or water to come out of the vegetables. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper as well. Now we can go ahead and add the bell peppers. And we're just going to cook this down a little bit too. And then we're going to take it out and then we're going to cook the eggs and then add it in. The onions and tomato and bell pepper are just about done. Camille, you can actually shut off the heat. I'm going to add the remaining eggs in this carton. I may need even a little bit more eggs besides these because, you know, we eat a lot. We're a big family. They say you can crack it on the table too. Fancy. My table's already dirty, so why not? Just don't drop it on the floor. It's fine. A trick that I learned, if you dropped an eggshell in there, you want to do the last one? Good.
Okay. Nope. Nope. Okay.
So if you dropped an eggshell, let's just say you dropped an eggshell in there. The easiest way is to take another eggshell, a bigger piece, and scoop it up and it grabs it. Did you know that, Camille?
No. There's some right there.
Since we eat a lot of eggs, I decided we're gonna cook a dozen more. Give it a quick mix. I'm going to add salt as she does to this, mixes it, and then some pepper as well. This is about, how many dozens of eggs did we cook?
Maybe
I want to say 2.5. Yeah, I think 2.5. Close to 3. And then I'm also going to add some tarragon. I just like tarragon. I feel like it gives it an extra flavor. We're going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper just to give it a kick, but not too spicy. If I can open this container. All right, I'll be careful. Time to mix all our ingredients in. The potatoes go in. So I'm gonna give this a mix. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil and then we're just gonna dump the eggs right in. I could add some spinach, but I don't have any. So anyway, time for the eggs. pour all of it in?
Yeah, everything. Just gonna make this easy and cook it right in. We have a nice saute pan. All right, and I'm just gonna give this a mix, and then I'm gonna cover it up. And then I'm gonna give it a stir every once in a while because I don't want the bottom to burn. Cover it up. And then we're gonna cook this on low for about maybe 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, but it's not quite yet cooked. So I would say maybe another 5 to 10 minutes because we are cooking very slow. I did also add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce in here. Just give it a little bit more saltiness and a little more flavor. So this is how it looks like right now. I do have to mix it quite frequently because I don't want the bottom to burn. So anyway, I'm gonna mix it again and then I'm gonna give it a cover. Egg omelet is all done and it took about another 5 minutes. It didn't take 10 minutes. And if you stir it often on low or to medium heat, then it cooks nice and even and nothing is overly brown. I did cover it for a short while, but overall, this is pretty easy to cook. It looks good and you can see it's a little bit darker than normal because of the Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna go get the table ready and we're gonna have brunch. I set up the table pretty nice this morning. Now I usually don't have it like this. It's just paper plates. The food is still in the pot, help yourself, but I wanted to show you our brunch, how it looks nice and neat today. And this is the omelet that we made. Looks pretty good, I think. And so I'm just waiting on the kids and my husband. My little one is still at church. And so yeah, that's why I only have 5 plates out because not everybody's gonna eat at the same time. Brunch is done. I had 1 small plate. My oldest son had 3 plates, so he really liked the dish. And the only one who didn't eat is my middle daughter, Serena, and my youngest one hasn't come home. So we still have some eggs there for them. That was just enough for all of us, and I'm glad I cooked those, was it 2 dozen and a half eggs. I'm going to try to film the holiday gift video today. I'm not sure if I can do it because just everybody is home because the plan was yesterday. I told the kids, I said, you might have to sneak out the house just for a little bit so I can film the video. But if I don't get a chance, it's gonna be for Monday. If you are liking this content, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And I will see you next time on Vlogcember Day 10. Bye everyone.